shoes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what the hell are you doing? You got a nice ass, you know. Look at that tongue. Right, okay, boy. Shoot. Dude, don't push it. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay. Hey, you know what? I have to do too. Okay. Nope, Billy? Bad Billy! Alright, you see the sleeve? I have one left over. It's so good.
Alright, take your phone.
Oh.